Hey everybody. Hange koe lau os professional apu te peye maki family he live. Ka koe live fia pe nia pa mo kaule kaya. Na really make au mom. I peke maki live whaalea. So I leave it up to the kids. Would like to open up this live with a family song. We started it earlier and then the thing died out. Somebody was calling, actually it was my really good friend, so had to stop the live for a minute. So here we go. We'd like to open this up. Neongope, we've went back to the Mormon church, but the only song that my kids know because they grew up being Catholic, this is the only song that they really know. So we wanted to sing that for you and introduce to you my children. Let's go.
Enau aspect visivo. Tana. Amarat ka motor kakai afama ke di family masiva goni. Tana mau fe apede. Toto afama motor. Tana. Mawaga pe to ange ko ki ama fifini wana. Yang pe mama siga. Oke dia kena tu Tonga ni. Ya mo fa e tau hi. Auto fa e pe tamai. Pe malo.
Wingo pueden estar raftisua. O Mario wa motor ka kai o ofa mai. O i mea ape o whele ei tano. Mau ne onga po alo piaki matoro alo puke whiwhini ke ego. Mau ki ofa pia koe. Hei taimi mega mau toi tō laut ka koe pa. Pema nia ke o ofa pia koe. Ko mau tamai koe. Hei tano wakau. Te whihau pa. Sai bau ki whihau pa sai pia. Koe pe maro.
Voi, tuku tau.
Sai maro o ang motor mo siya mai foi live gani ko laki tuk pa fa fetai me fa maro ke tamai vani nga ko ni nga yo fa pai ma te tau tolo o kire ben gatan mo kore ta ko tano ke como mara mato ka pa na mo ngai yang au ke si o ke fe mari gai kore ta ko tano ke famro mau to ka ko me fai tano o nyanga mo ke family Pero que hangare va o Wakatala ta ya nia. Mau se ke ngai kaunga api ngai mari mo ne ngai fanau na fata. Pa ko fa mau pitangi, pa ko tulu tu kore ke iki. O mai mo ha tamai to rere angi ke motu ago ke fok mai. Ke fata he family. Ne ngai pare mo ko tano. Ka te mo fa papa pe ko mau tamai. Mo ofa ya ko. Ke ki ako naki pe ye na fai me mo fa ga mau to. Pero ye Famaat ka mau tolu ngai family ko ta pe ofa mai te mau tolu. Pege famaat ka mau tolu mo ofa mai. Kora ka mau tolu pe apa mo sia tiai. Mau kata ke mo to ko na mo ka mau tolu. Oya pe ki re fai malo pito.
O palayat ka motol ko to ape, o ki ile ape na fe mai fanau. He nau to sio koi fai live pa tamai mam. Ai pa maki live o ia. Ke nau ki whakalea tu ngā whoki. You know, always saying o ku hanga ta ofe whanau, no. Ko tok ta ofe pene ki muini pe, hono tuku hifo ia o ke anau tolu pia. Se pe ku osi, wako whanau pene na whelea tu pe ki ai, ke tangi ai. O whalahi o pita pe whanau ke a ki ai, nyongo pe mea hoko ka kuna ki ofa pe, pa tena whakapapai mau pe, he nau tamai. Pa kuia pe ko o whalahi ka motolu. Thank you for tuning in. We just had our family on toki ose mo family whanau pa. Na nau loto pe ke whai pe haki lea ke nau tamai. Ke ne ilo nau o whalahi at ki ai. Whakoia pe ko o whalahi atu. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. I hope that the experience here with our family helps others. To the men and the women that tap in and watch us and watch our story. We hope that, you know, there will be a time when Satan comes to your family and tries to break your family. We want you guys to know ka neongo pe os broke a family. There's always going to be a light. And even though oku mauna fo pe matoria o mamahi, of course, go ahead that mamahi that we fia e ohi mama. But I want to thank everybody that has shared their experiences of what happened to them. O vahe vahe mai ke maloto lai. Tati fito, ke kakai o kuna ai whakalotu mai. Mōni apita pea eiki. Pea, mōni apita pea. He ko ilo koe whanau e ni neongo pe, e nau, kamata ke, we see, every day is a different day. We try our best. Go come tomorrow, it's a different day. Come tomorrow, it's another different day. They still, they still have that pain in their heart, but they still do their best, and I try my best to be a good mom. It's really hard. Sometimes you just want to give up. But, ko me pena mawhilea tu pe whanau ia ke nau tamai. So you guys can go ahead and pass that too, since there's a lot of people passing all that. Pahangi ko na waiwatene nai. I'm not gonna, everyone say, that I got fake pages and everything, but that's okay. Because I'm not gonna let anybody, tear us more down than we already are. But, hangi ko lau, penau, ai atu koe ki mua, koe osi pe ia honi he ngahi. Me aia ke aiha ke karai hopo mo whakaamulahi pe ki ai, that you guys, ke ako e kakai me ngai parapale me koe ni, mo ako e katakilai. Mo e anga whakatoa ki lalo. Pa koe tau toro wha e ke tau kuku pe whanau o whainga e pe ia ke tau sio ki mua mau pe o tau sio ki mui. Pa koe pe ko o whalai at ka motol, whamalo lai ke whangatunga ne, o whangatoko wā. Whanga wha e. Mo ngahi advice ko toa pe usi ai meka tea. Ke o ngai manu e Facebook a. O ko ilo ku kawai he wasia he kakai toko lai. I he parapalai mako ni he kuhanga ai ha ke Facebook a. But that wasn't my point. Ke ta ake family hai, ta ak family hai, ta ak family hai. No, the point was just to get my other point across, because I was left in the dark with not even knowing anything while everybody else was smiling in front of my face, and I had no idea what was going on. And then for everything to come out and then drag my name in, and make me look better, more worse than I am, try to take me down. But I hope that you see this message. Your kids love you. They'll always love you because I taught them to. And no matter what you guys say, they'll always love their dad because I taught them to. Ke whapapa I tatawai pe be hamo hoko te ke whapapa I mape. Ona toi ai alea kowi ki ai. Tupe kao ke ulea kowi ki ai. Ka kumoto whanau. Te mo ui fualoa he whakapapa he tamai ma whae loa pe. Pagoia pe ko ofalai at ka motolo. Koia. Ai peke, ai koe hange koe lau ai whakamoone ne whai he lotua ni uhu. Ke ai mafu ke wholai. And I'm still trying, even though I let Satan get me angry every day. But I try. And yes, koe hoko atu pe u laivi, koe laivi ai whakalakalaka koe mau whamiri ki mua. And those are the lives, those are the lives that I want you guys to see. E ngai fia neongo pe o ku hoko pe ai apini ka te mau fia pe mo tali ai ngai palan ko toa pe ai eki une o mai ka mau tolo. And for me, neongo pe ai ngai lea mo mea ko toa pe whai mai ke au o te utari pe. Ue ngā ko au o ko ilo au kai ko ha fini e ngā maa wow, I'm not a perfect woman. I never said I was perfect, but I know that if we believe in our Heavenly Father, that everything will come into place. And I just want to thank everybody. Whakamalolahi aupito peia. Ki kakai ne henge e kio whakafou mai ki motole. Ke mau api. Because God works in different ways. And even though God can't come and talk to me to my face, He brought a lot of people. Na ne henge whakafou mai kakai. Ko ki motolo kakai lelei. Muafe mape o whakaloto lahi I au whakaloto. Pako whamaro lahi at ka motolo. I'm so thankful. Thank you for tapping in, everybody, on Nia's life. Hey, that's me. But yeah, I love you guys, and thank you so much. Stay tuned for some more karaoke lives and watching my family progress. Leave the negative behind, and whatever has to go, whatever's being said about me and everything is all good, because I know the truth and so does God. So we'll just keep it like that. Oko ofalahi atu ke family kotoa pe ya mautolo. Ofalahi atu ke hinga he kaunga api kotoa pe. Heko oeki is for fola. As ke te ofa mapi he kaunga api. Love your neighbor. And it's so true, because when something happens, and I really appreciate all of them, and especially my brother-in-law, Dele. I'm so sorry that you guys have to go through. Hey, itai family ka mo ofa mai ka mo fana. Ofa la ka ko tele mo paini pe ka mai mo puleni. Malo lai mo se mo tu ta fa. Malo lai at ka mo. He ofa fa la. Fakalaulaunoa ma pe ia o time ko to pe. O whana hea te ke whanga friend, mai whanga toko wā, mai whanga toko social media sisters. O whana hea te ka motolu. Thank you so much, Heavenly Father, for blessing me with a bunch of really good people. And I know I shouldn't have brought everything out on Facebook, but you know how it went. Everybody that's followed me, they already know how it all went and how it started. So thank you, Heavenly Father, for bringing good family into my life and good friends, and especially if I meet a bun nagege mau maheni mo mautolo mo nautolo mau hange pene mau fetohi aki hange pene ma mahen foloa pe hena wahe pe mo tohi ma pe ofalahi mo fakalaulaunoa mai kati au ofalahi ka motolo kotoa pe. And thank you so much, everyone, for tapping in and watching my crazy life. But hage ko lau ko uhinga ko no ai mau pe my life and everything, as I pray and hope that you guys all I really hope that te moako a mea me te moako me iai hapara ma peheni te mo tolu whangatu ngane mo ofa ma pe mai mari pa ona te ai ke kau no hai ata ka hapara ma ke mo vete o family. Tui ma pege eiki. He ko mea lahi taha pena wako me ai. He mea koe ni koe tui pege eiki. E pea ko whaka mo oni i apita pea ni ofa ne whai mai ke mautolu. Mo ne o mai koe kakai. Ke tu o. Ne o pea unau i moody and stuff, but a lot of people stood up and helped us through this time when we had nothing. And even though if nobody came and helped, we would be okay, because my kids never fili guy. And neongo pe aloha ke tala noa o pe he koe aipe ania ke whaawhaia kakai maha. That's really selfish, because nama whaof. And it's okay, I'm not shy, kai ke o maa wia ke kakai, he nau seunga he laiwi. He kohono mo oni ko whakaamu lahi pe, e sio mai kakai tangata ke he palapalai ma peheni. Mo sio ke lea ku whanau ane nai. Ke mo sio loto pe ke mo whanau. He koe osange mea, ko te take tau tori e whae mo tamai, koe whanau pe taha ku whakaofa. They're the ones that need to be noticed. Not the mom, not me. It's not for me, but it's for the kids. If that relationship don't work, find a situation, find it, because manatu taimu ke mari ai. E kai kia ha. You're 6 people. Oh. Sorry, my teeth. Thank you, sis. I love you. Thank you so much, everybody. Just for everybody to know that, in life, a marriage is for better or for worse, and so there's always going to be trials. There's always going to be something that happens between you and your spouse. It's bound to happen. It's up to you if you can fix it or not. And you try your best to try to fix it, because Satan will come in and try to push you and fill you with all this stuff, and then all of a sudden it just breaks. But when in reality, you could still fix it and try to fix it for the kids sometimes, But if a mother and father work it out and understand, like, oh yeah, this is not working, we've lost the love, it got old and stuff. And when they come to that understanding and talk about it together, that's what's up. Like, that's what you need, because then you guys break apart with a really good relationship, a really good, healthy relationship, and you guys can still respect each other and love each other, and the kids will still be happy. And I hope for that to one day happen, but hange koe lau mana tu koe kakai ko whahela ke te aia tu mea kai. Like I said, that was my last live earlier about what's going on. But the rest of my lives, everybody, I will be living about things that's going on and how life is progressing from here. And for you mothers to always know that no matter what happens, that we all fall, but we get back up and we move forward. And so, like I said earlier in my second live, before the kids' live, is that be true to yourself. Never let anyone put you down. No matter how a man is going to tell you that you're this and this and this and this, please always remember that your parents raised a princess and you grew into a queen, and that's what you need to be treated like. And no matter what happens in life, and that's what I'm still struggling on trying to do. But thank you so much for tapping in and to hear my kids. And thank you so much.